Good evening, folks. Here's Shaw from Jarrett's Car Reviews. Well, look at this, folks. You can see we're having a blizzard here in Texas. This is rare, so I decided to do a startup series of starting up the personal vehicles. Except I've done this before back in July, but this time it's going to be a snowy cold start. I've never done something like this before, so let's go and start up my mom's 2016 Jeep Patriot. Get in, close the door. Sometimes the key doesn't want to turn. There we go.
Where you come from, according to even how many mistakes you made. It's according to.
That's a cool start. Fire it up. It's got the 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. Alright, let's go pop the hood. Alright. It's got the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. I'm gonna shut her down. And we'll move on to my dad's BMW. So this is his 2009 BMW 528i. Oh man. Alright, fire right up. It's got the 8-speed automatic transmission. Alright, so pop the hood. Check the engine. Oh. So it's got the inline 6-cylinder engine. See, one of the lights is out, but that's no big deal. All right. Now we'll move on to the next car, which is my Taurus over there. Alright, so here's my 2004 Ford Taurus. Here's the keys right here. Just gonna climb on in and start her up. By the way, this blue key fob is I got this off Amazon for $7. They didn't come with the car, so. And I can tell you guys right now that this car is not going to start on the first try. So this may take a couple of tries, but we'll see how it goes. Close the door real quick. Look at that. This is crazy. Sorry. Yeah, so this car is not going to start on the first try. Yeah. Doesn't like the cold. Oh, it's running rough. Yeah, we'll leave this alone. I don't want to ruin the starter. It does not like the cold at all. But I'll go ahead and show you guys the engine real quick. It's got 3.0 liter Vulcan V6. It does have a new battery. I'm going to show you guys the oil. So it does need an oil change. It's been sitting here for 3.5 years. So it does need an oil change. Yeah, not a bad car at all. Alright, I'm gonna lock the car up. It's cold, so. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the personal vehicle startups for the month of February. Happy Valentine's Day, and you guys stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.